Hi guys, welcome to my space and honestly, parang welcome din ulit sa sarili ko ngayon. Sobrang nanginginig ako ngayon kasi matagal ko ng pangarap na mag-podcast and it's literally happening right now. And hindi rin sa natatakot ako sa camera or anything. It's just that I can finally say out loud what are the emotions that I've been keeping inside for so long. Something na alam ko na lahat tayo makaka-relate kasi lahat naman tayo nararanasan to. It's just that we are not very ready to discuss it very openly to each other. It's that super heavy quiet pressure na parang you always have to be okay no matter what and no matter how much is breaking inside you. Think about it. Ilang beses na ba kayong tinanong ng kamusta ka lately? And ilang beses kayong ngumiti automatically and said, okay lang. Kahit na hindi naman talaga, right? Even if ang sikip na ng dibdib nyo. Even if kanina lang umiiyak kayo bago kayo sumagot. Even if you are so drained na you cannot even explain what you're tired of. I do that literally all the time. Kahit sa mga taong malapit sa akin, I just brush it off like, pagod lang konti or adjustment period lang naman. It's like it became our default setting na. Sasagot na tayo agad bago pa natin tanungin sarili natin kung ano ba talaga yung totoo nating nafe-feel. We're not lying on purpose. We're just so used not wanting to be a burden. Takot tayo na mag-worry sila. Or masabihan tayong maarte, mahina, or overreacting. So, we put on that smile and say we're fine. Kahit ang layo naman nun sa totoo. Saan ba nanggagaling yung ganong pressure? Lumaki kasi tayo na lagi nating naririnig yung kaya mo yan, matatag ka naman eh. Huwag masyadong magpapadala sa emotions, ha? And honestly, those are really, really nice words. Tinuruan tayo nun to be strong, to be resilient. But somewhere along the way, parang hindi na tama yung meaning. Parang naging rule na you're only okay if you're never struggling. You're only good if you never have bad days. You're only worthy if you can handle everything on your own. Tapos dadagdagan pa ng social media. All you see are pretty trips, wins, happy updates, achievements. And then you'll sit there alone and thinking, am I the only one falling apart? May mali ba sa akin? Bakit parang lahat sila okay na? Ako, nandito pa rin trying to get through every hour. Little do we know na walang nagpo-post ng gabing hindi sila makatulog. Walang nagsishare ng araw na hindi sila okay at hindi nila kayang bumangon. No one talks about the times they felt like they were losing their mind. We're all just really, really good at pretending to be okay. And to be super honest with you guys, these past few months, I found myself back in my darkest place once again. Yung akala ko hindi ko nadadaanan ulit, I was literally there all by myself. Wala akong makausap, walang mapagsabihan. Only my dogs were there with me. And just the four corners of the apartment that I used to live in. And Nandun lang ako, nakaupo, nakahiga, umiiyak ng walang tunog, minsan nakatitig lang sa kisame. Hindi ko namamalayan yung oras na lumilipas na siya kasi nga sobrang focused ko sa sakit na nafi-feel ko. Wala akong ibang kasama kundi yung fear, yung lungkot, yung pagod, at yung mga worries na akala ko nawala na before. And do you know what made it harder? Even then, I'd still reply, okay lang ako. When people ask, I always post nice things and smile sa mga chats. Kasi I'm so used to thinking that I have to be okay for everyone else. Kahit ang hirap-hirap na talaga niya. Pretending takes so much energy. Mas nakakapagod pa nga siya minsan kaysa sa mismong pinagdadaanan mo eh. Kasi bukod sa dala mo, yung bigat ng lahat, kailangan mo pang alagaan yung image mo na okay ka. You have to laugh when you feel like breaking down. You have to act unbothered when actually you're crumbling little by little every single second. And then you start feeling guilty too. Guilty for being sad. Guilty for resting. Guilty for feeling like you cannot do it anymore. Parang bawal kang maging mahina kasi mas may nahihirapan naman. Parang mali na maramdaman mong pagod ka na. That pressure eats you alive from the inside. Tapos ikaw pa mismo mag-iisip na mali ka na nararamdaman mo yung mga ganyan. Feeling broken does not mean you're weak. Needing help does not mean you failed. Going back to hard days doesn't mean you didn't heal well. It just means that you're human and healing is not a straight line. It goes up and down, sometimes back to the start, and that's completely normal. That pressure we carry na parang bawal magkamali or malungkot, that's not real. Nothing bad will happen if you say I'm not doing well right now. The people who truly care won't leave you just because you're not smiling anymore. And if someone judges you for being honest, honestly, that's on them. That's not you. I'm still working on myself. Minsan sinasabi ko pa rin na okay lang kahit hindi naman. But I'm slowly learning that resting. Crying, pausing, or just being honest is not giving up. It's actually how we keep going properly. I made this special space kasi I don't want any of us to feel like we have to carry everything alone anymore. Lalo na yung mga bagay na akala natin tayo lang nakakaramdam. Dito walang kailangan magpanggap. Dito pwede ka maging totoo. If you are also in that dark place right now, or if you're also pretending you're fine, please know, I see you. I've been there. I know how heavy is it. And you're absolutely not alone. You are more than your bad days. You are more than your productivity. You are more than being strong. And you matter. Mahalaga ka. You matter even on days you cannot do anything. Even on days you just want to survive. Even on days you just breathe. And thank you so much for letting me share this part of me with you. Take it easy lang, ha? One small step, one breath at a time. And please, let's not be afraid to say when we're not okay anymore. Take care of your heart always, guys. See you soon. And I'm so sorry that I had to write them all of my thoughts. I need to organize it kasi if hindi ko siya gagawin, maliligaw ako. Hindi ko alam kung anong points yung pag-uusapan natin. And I really appreciate those people na naiintindihan ako. And I really, really love people who's actually going through their hard days right now. I love you all, guys. And I hope na this channel will become your safe space as well. Until next time, okay? Bye.